I've just got my tech assignment and I'm not totally sure what I need to do.
Okay, let's have a look at the assignment sheet.
I already have created a title page with my name and class details and headings for each section.
So the next thing we need to look at is what is inspiration. Do you know what inspiration means?
Not really.
Okay, how do you find out what it means?
Well, you could look at it in Google or go to a dictionary.
Okay, let's go to Google. So when we type in inspiration in the Google search, we can come up with a whole pile of different websites. Now remember not to use the definitions you have here. You actually need to go to the website. So if we go to inspiration, we can see some meanings here. The important thing is to make sure that you put it into your own words. Don't directly copy and paste. And the other important thing you need to do is take this URL and place it into your bibliography. In your bibliography, you shouldn't have URLs that have the word Google in it because they're incorrect.
For the next section, don't I just have to talk about the design process?
Is this something that you did in class?
Yes, it involves the need, situation, research and so on.
Great. If we list these down, then describe how each relates to the dry eyes product.
But not all of the information required is on the website. What can I do?
Do some more searching. Notice on the website there's a dry eyes internet site. Do some more Google searching. And if that doesn't work, maybe you just need to write down what you think that the designer did.
For the next question, I need to define innovation. I could look this up in a dictionary, making sure that I get bibliography details, or I could search the internet.
That's right. What you need to do is make sure that you take the definition and put it into your own words. Just make sure that you also outline how the product has been innovative.
For the next part on environmental, social and ethical issues, I should make a table in my report and add the information.
That would be great. What are some of the issues?
Well, environmental issues are what it is made of and how does it affect the environment, either positively or negatively. Social issues are how it relates to yourself and society. That is, how does it help people?
And ethical issues is about doing what is right or good for others, such as making sure that the product is safe.
I've
Cool.
almost finished my assignment. I have my title page. I have talked about how dry eyes is an inspiration and its contribution to the baby industry. I listed the design process and stated the things the designers would do to complete this design. Then I defined innovation and I have a table with the social issues, and lastly I have my bibliography.
One last thing. Did you know? Did you know that the fastest car travels at 1,228 kilometers per hour? The fastest train travels at 575 kilometers per hour. Fastest motorbike, 565 kilometers per hour. Fastest boat, built by an Australian here in his own backyard, travels at 513 kilometers per hour. The fastest roller coaster travels at 208 kilometers per hour. The fastest bicycle is a recumbent bike, one that you sit in, travels at 82.5 kilometers per hour. And the fastest human being travels at 37.5 kilometers per hour. Did you know? This last point really has nothing to do with your assignment. Just thought it was interesting. Hope this little video helps you with your assignment.